Hello, good day. Welcome to Draco Research. I'm Alenuga Grace. I'll be taking you descriptive statistics in how. We'll be making use of the R Studio, and we'll be typing our codes in the script file. So let's get started. As we all know that in descriptive statistics we have measures of central tendencies, where you have the mean, median, and mode. You have the measure of dispersion, where you have your variance, where you have your standard deviation, your mean deviations, and so on like that. So let's look for a group data. Suppose we have our x to be 5.1, 4.9, 5.3, 4.4, and 5.5. So let's run this. We have. Then the next is to look at the length of x, the number of values there, 5. The mean of x, your range, median, range, variance of x, standard deviation of x, the minimum value, that's 4.4, the maximum is 5.5. Okay, we'll be moving into how to read your Excel data into how. First, you have to go to your Excel, where you have your data prepared there. I have data for age, height, and weight here. So you go to your file, then you save as. I'll be saving my work here in the desktop. So I click on desktop. Yeah, I have demography here. Note that I say it's been saved as Excel workbook, but for the purpose of importing your data into the hub, you will be changing it to CSV, delimited. CSV, delimited. So click on this, then click save. Yeah, okay, yes. And some features, you click yes. You want to keep using this format? Yes. So you have your Excel file saved as .csv. So the next thing for me to do now is to go back to my house studio. I have demo equals to read.table, then demography.csv, header equals to t. The header equals to t is telling you that the first column are the labelings. The first column are the labelings or the headings. Then sep, the comma is to separate them so that they will not be muddled up together. Know that you are working with a group data here. So let me click on this. Then let me look at the headings of my demo. Okay, yeah. Let me look at my demo. We have age, height, and weight here. It's brought out some of the values there for me. Then I want to look at the mean of age there. So we have mean demo $age. That's bringing out the mean of age particularly there. So I have the mean of age here. You can also look for the mean of height and mean of weight. For the mean of height, we have your mean demo $height. For weight, mean demo $weight. Then looking at the variance, we do as well. I'm looking at the variance of the weight there. And so I'm bringing out the weight. That's variance demo $weight. Then we can also look at the standard deviation of height, of all the values in height. So demo $height. Then as well, I can look at the whole summary of the whole demo. Good. We have for age, height, and weight. I have the mean, the first quartile, the median, the mean, third quartile, the maximum, the minimum value. So this brings out everything. Then as I can also perform my kurtosis and skewness. For kurtosis of weights there, I'm picking weights. Remember that you have to put your demo $weight. So look at this, I'm having error. Then something must be wrong actually. In the first class we had, the first video, I told us about installing package. So for me to be able to find my kurtosis, I must have the moments package installed in my app. So I already have it here installed. Then I just click on its moments. So once I click on it, it shows library. It shows that it's already there. So let me now try to run it again. I have my value here. Then was Qness. I have my value here. For most of you that maybe you missed the initial class, to install Movement, you just you click on install package, then you click on Movements here. You click on Movements, then install. Make sure that you are connected. Once you install it, then you can perform every other thing you want to do on it. Thank you very much.